What would happen if I hand you a ball and said let it go? It would drop to the floor. That's pretty obvious, it's called gravity, and today we don't really think about that anymore. But if we go back a few centuries, the discovery of gravity was actually a huge revolution. It enabled space travel, therefore satellites, and therefore GPS and a lot of forms of modern communication. So it completely transformed the way that we live today. But the discovery of gravity was actually based on pure chance. We all know the story about Newton sitting below the apple tree, an apple fell down, and this sparked his triggering idea. Today, companies also undergo their very own transformation, for example towards S/4HANA. But they don't really want to wait for this apple falling for this lucky accident. A transformation has to be plannable, it has to be based on reliable data, and it needs to have a reliable outcome. And this is exactly where the integrated toolchain comes into place. It connects all of the relevant tools, methods, data into one seamless process that guides companies safely and securely through every step of their transformation. So simply put, with the integrated toolchain, you don't have to wait for that lucky accident. It enables the transformation and makes it fully manageable.